Ya leo ni siku ambaye tutachukua kukumbuka wale walishikwa na hii janga ya mafuriko. Wengi wamekufa, wengine wako kwa hospitali, na kwa sababu ni climate change. Our president akaona ni vyema kama tungeanza kushughulikia mambo ya climate ndio tuweze kuzuia maafa kama haya in the future. So we are here today making sure that we are not only remembering the ones who are affected by the floods. Many families have been displaced, others have died, others are in hospital, and others we don't even know where they are. And so as we come today, we are just looking into a situation that we can be able to change. Every person, every individual, wherever you are, you ought to take care of the environment. I think now we are starting to understand the divine order. Amri ya Mungu. Since they came, you can see they are the ones who are going, they are the ones who are digging the holes, they are the future, they are the potential that we need in areas of food security, in areas of even these biodiversity corridors, everything about environment and our even national security. It is a boy child, and therefore we need to make them aware that the future is theirs and they are very important to this country and even to the nations of the world. If you leave the boy child behind, I think you are not going to have a good world. Stopping drinking, and they are starting to take their position as the leaders of the communities, as the fathers, and the very important people in our lives.
Tana no